Identification: the process that enables recognition of a user described to an automated data processing system. This is generally by the use of unique machine-readable names. It is the process of identifying the user to verify whether he is what he claims to be. Normally, identification is done with the help of information that is known to everyone, such as username or user ID. Identification is the first step in the chain of process of access management. An example of identification is when the user swipes his ATM card in an ATM machine, then the user is identified by the core banking system. Some real-world systems for user identification are biometric identification, digital signature, personal identification device or PID. Biometric identification. It is the process of using a person's physical characteristics for identification purposes. Examples of physical attributes that may be used for such purposes include using the person's fingerprints, hand geometry, iris or retina, facial characteristics, voice pattern, or even body odor. A person's DNA can also be used to uniquely identify him or her, but this is a more invasive process and requires a skin, tissue, or blood sample. The most popular biometric technologies at present are those used for fingerprint identification, iris scanning, and facial recognition. Digital signature. Digital signatures are a way of authenticating the identity of creators or producers of digital information. A digital signature is like a handwritten signature and can have the same legal authority in certain situations, such as buying or selling online or signing legal contracts. Digital signatures can also be used to ensure that information signed has not been tampered with during transmission or repudiated after being received. Personal Identification Device or PID. It is a device used to establish a person's identity. Personal identification devices typically use to authenticate users so they can access systems or networks. PIDs are typically small devices that can be easily carried around. Examples range from plastic cards with magnetic strips to handle objects containing embedded memory chips and biometric fingerprint scanners. PIDs can contain anything from a person's name and company ID number to passport number, driver's license number, or whatever other personally identifiable information is required for use and operation. PIDs often are used in conjunction with passwords or personal identification numbers, also known as PINs, so that if the PID is lost, then it cannot be used by unauthorized parties.